Okay, once you've created your avatar account, the next thing you do is you find your Phoenix Viewer icon on your desktop. Double left click the Phoenix Viewer icon. It's loading the platform now. We're using Phoenix Viewer right now. Eventually it'll probably convert to Firestorm, or of course you can also use Viewer 2, which is the one Linden Lab puts out. So the first thing you do is go down and you put in your first name. In this case, the avatar account I just created is Connie Chamberlain. The last name is Resident, and then I used a password, of course, so I put that in, and I'm going to check the box remember resident name and remember password. And it doesn't matter where we start at this point with a brand new avatar, then you just click on login. And right now you'll notice it's logging in. First thing you get up is a terms of service screen. So what we're going to do is check the box saying that you agree to the terms of service and click continue. It will continue to log you in. And you'll notice you're going to be born at Welcome Island, which is where Linden Labs puts all new avatars. This is a place where there's going to be a whole bunch of other avatars at the same time. So as soon as you can see yourself, you'll notice here I am right there, Connie Chamberlain. As soon as you can see yourself, you begin to res in. Res means to resolve, I guess, so to speak. Use the arrow keys on your keyboard right now, which is what I'm going to do. I'm going to turn the avatar a little bit to the right, a little more, and I'm going to push the forward key and walk off the landing platform. And that's where I am right now. You'll notice that I'm still populating my clothing articles and things like that. So then what we're going to do at this point, we're going to go to Wisconsin Techni Sim. Okay, now what we're going to do next is we're going to go down here to the bottom where it says map. You should be able to see it down here now. See my cursor? Map. I'm going to left click map. It's going to pull up a map in front of you like this. This little headlight thing right in the middle where you can see the yellow circle with the white dot in the middle, and then you see what appears to be a headlight here. That's your avatar. This is the direction you're facing. The other green dots around here are other avatars that are here also on this platform. You're going to go over here where it says Welcome Island 11. You'll notice the cursor's flashing and it's highlighted. I am going to start typing. There's no need to click in the box, just start typing. You're going to type in Wisconsin, T-E-C-N-E, Wisconsin Techni. Then you're going to click search right here, the search button. And you'll notice what pulls up here is the map, is another map of Wisconsin Techni. These are the University of Wisconsin-Oshkosh Sims, or islands. You'll notice there's 4 squares. What I want to do is we want to end up and go right here to Wisconsin Techni. And this particular building right here on the top, on the upper right that I'm circling my cursor around, you'll notice it's crosshairs when you're on the map, is the public health area. This is where we're going to have there's a lot of room in here, and that's why we want to have the avatars come to this particular spot. So I'm going to put my cursor right in the middle here, and then I'm going to double left click rapidly here, and it's going to teleport my avatar to that particular area. So I'm going to double left click right now, and you'll notice it will go a lot faster depending on your connection. I'm using a slower connection at this point. You'll notice here we are, and I still have not completely rezzed in. It looks like I'm missing some clothes, some outer clothes. So at this point, what I'm going to try to do and see if it'll work is I'm going to press down on the Control, the ALT or the Alt key on my keyboard. You'll notice my cursor here turns into kind of like a note card with a little spinning semicircle. While I'm holding down my Control and my Alt key, I'm going to push the R key on the keyboard. And what that does, it does something called rebake. It's supposed to rebake the textures in the avatar, but in this case it didn't work. The other thing I'm going to try to do at this point is to right-click on the avatar itself with my right-click button, and I'm going to go into Appearance. That's the bottom of this pie chart. I'm going to left-click Appearance. It's going to spin my avatar around, and that also sometimes will make the avatar appear as fully clothed, and it doesn't at this point, so I'm going to click OK. You'll notice on the shape, clicked OK, and it didn't quite work the way I wanted to. So I'm going to go over into my folder over here, into my inventory. I'm going to make it a little bigger so I can see it a little better. Move it over. I'm going to look for some clothes. I'm going to left click on clothing. It says female party outfit. I'm looking down. You'll notice my clothes. I'm going to right click on choose left. I'm going to click on wear. I'm going to right click on choose right. I'm going to click on wear. Now what's supposed to happen is you'll notice like it says female party shape. That's the shape of the avatar. It says worn. These things are not going on my avatar. So in this case, what I end up having to do would be just to what they call relog. In other words, I'd have to sign out and log back in.